Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add an image to the header on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. Go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. And then once you're in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then click on edit site here in the bottom. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. This is going to be the editor for Wix. So just wait for it to load. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. So right here, if you go to the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize and design your site. So right now, if you want to change the filters or image header or add an image to the header, all you need to do guys is click on the header. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on quick edit. And then once you click on quick edit, as you can see guys right here, you can change all of the things here in the header. For example, you can change the paragraph. Here you can change the card icon. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the strip background. You can also change it. Just click on change and then choose a background from here. Or you can click on image and import an image. So for example, I'm going to choose this, this strip instead. Click on change background and then it will be changed. And once you finish, make sure you save all of your changes and then you're good to go. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.